Okay, so what is my hair doing over here? Like, be for real. Be for real. Okay, so today is a maintenance day. Hi loves. In today's video, we're going to do hair maintenance. So that's why it looks like this. It's time to wash it. So washing a sew-in tips and tricks. I don't think I shot one of these in a long form. So this is my first one. You may have seen it in short form, but this is like a little bit more detail. So let's get to it. My hair is sewed in, and so I do need to divide it, but I am washing all the hair. I'm just not going to wash the braids underneath the sew-in because that can get a little stinky and soury. But I did see on TikTok, and I'm going to try this hack in this video, where using a glycolic acid is good for when your hair just has buildup. Lately, I don't know if y'all noticed it in my last video, my scalp has the worst buildup, like some of the worst buildup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and divide my hair from the actual sew-in, and I'm just gonna put some glycolic acid in there, and then we're gonna proceed to wash our hair into a full maintenance. So I take all my supplements. I take my collagen powder. I'm drinking only water, sparkling water, and smoothies. Haven't had any smoothies so far this week, but again, I'm taking it one day. I'm taking it one day at a time. I oiled my hair last week, and I have been oiling my hair several times a week, so I feel like my hair doesn't need any more oil, but my hair does have buildup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the glycolic acid right here. I'm just gonna put some of this in my scalp because I'm gonna wash it anyway. Can y'all see what I'm doing? Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna just take the glycolic acid and I'm just gonna run it through my hair, and I'm going to let this sit on for a while because I'm going to also, let me get a comb, and it's already rolling through my hair so I could feel it. Wash my hair. That's what this video is about. Washing your hair with the sew-in, just so I can like clear my scalp of some of this buildup, because the buildup is not cute. It's not cute at all. So that's what we're doing here. So I'm just going through each and every section, even though the glycolic acid is rolling down. I just want to make sure I get it on my scalp in different sections, you know, and like massage it in there so it can break up a lot of that buildup just from oil and dry scalp. And it feels, when I say it feels so good, and immediately I can like see my scalp. Of course, when you put any type of liquid on your scalp, it looks better, but there's sometimes you can have buildup and you can wash your scalp and you can still see the buildup. So it does look like it's doing something. And so I'm just massaging that in, especially if it itches a little bit in a particular area. I really like how it feels to use the glycolic acid in my hair. It feels really, really good. So first I'm going to go in with a clarifying shampoo, and then I will do a double cleanse with the super moisturizing shampoo by Briochio, so we can get a double cleanse in to clarify my scalp. So in the natural curly hair community, or natural community period, shampoo has kind of been frowned upon. I have never felt that way about shampoo. Mainly when I'm using weaves, you know, the shampooing the hair is not that important because you don't want to tangle the hair. But it's just using the proper shampoo methods, detangling hair first and foremost, and then shampooing, then moisturizing, shampooing, and deep conditioning. shampooing is super important. Like if you was to go into a salon, they actually take time massaging your scalp. Shampooing is important. So I end up doing a triple cleanse because like I said, my scalp had a lot of buildup. So after rinsing, I came back, I looked at my scalp, I examined my scalp, and even though my leave out isn't that much, I wanted to make sure it was clarified. So I went in again and re-shampooed my hair again with the clarifying shampoo because I did notice a few specks of buildup still in my hair. So once that was done, I took my hair down. I'm sectioning it off after detangling it because of course you have to detangle your hair before putting any sort of shampoo because it's not the shampoo, it's the process. You have to detangle first. Once my hair is fully detangled, I'm going to section it off because again, I am not going to wet my braided hair. You'll see later I'm going to use a dry shampoo for that area. I'm going to section it off and begin to shampoo each ponytail separately so that they can get a little clarifying because the oils that I used last week, I kind of went oil crazy. Again, I'm still on a hair growth journey, and so even with some heat damage or a lot of heat damage, I am still nourishing my scalp, and that comes with a lot of buildup from oiling it regularly. And so here I'm just going to go in and start clarifying out these bundles on each side. And here is where I went back in with the clarifying shampoo and I was examining my scalp as I was shampooing it or re-shampooing it because like I said before, you can have just a tiny bit of hair exposed, and even that hair from whatever product was on the hair prior, it will have a certain amount of buildup. And again, I have lots, so I'm just going to make sure I go in and section off each area. Once I get to the portion of styling my hair, I can get the results I want with a clean scalp. My hair is all clean. I'm going to deep condition and do a massage in this area because I have been having issues with this area retaining growth, and I just think it's from tension. It's day 2 and I'm about to just rinse my hair. It doesn't really need it. It's just dried overnight and I need to re-wet it, so instead of just putting water and stuff on it. And when I say my scalp looks so clean, my scalp looks so clean. Let's see how long that lasts after using the glycolic acid. But I'm just going to put a little bit of color around my edges just because I'm going to wet it and then do a light blow dry. I don't have any gloves. That's why I know I'm not going to put much of this on my hair. I don't even know I'm going to take this out of my hair. But yeah, I'm just going to put a little bit in here. And I always like to do this because it just like make my edges look so like way much fuller. So this is a good hack, like if you just want your edges to look like a bit fuller. And I'm just going around my perimeter. I'm also not one to shave off my sideburns. Like my hair will literally touch my eyebrows if I didn't like arch just around here, but I don't shave any hair. I don't know if y'all can see off of my face. I like leave my hair all the way around because it's so light. It kind of like blends into my skin. And I like having a little hair on the ends and like sideburns and stuff like that. A lot of people don't like having hair on their face, but it doesn't bother me because it kind of stops, like it's my hairline, so it's just very sparse and shady, And so what's the point of taking my hair off? But I noticed a lot of women that are like Latina descent, they do that because their hair is really thick in those areas. I can color those hairs. That really blends into my skin tone. It's like my hair, for some reason, it just, maybe because of the product I'm using on my face. A lot of times when you use salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, certain skincare products have ingredients in it, and it will bleach the hair on your face. So it just depends how thick the hairs are that you have. My hairs on my skin, my peach fuzz is really light. I don't have heavy peach fuzz on my face, so I don't even need to shave my face. I did shave my face this month once, but what happens is when I do that, when I get like ingrown hairs, or not even ingrown, when those hairs come in under here, they come in way thicker. And so I just try not to do that to my hair. So I'm gonna leave this on. What time is it? It's 10:30. I'm gonna leave this on for like 15-20 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and I'll be back.